Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
Staff members of the Niger Delta Development Commission (NDDC) have decided to key into the welfare policy of the commission under the leadership of its interim administrator, Dr. AKUGHA, with the setting up of a water production company in Port Harcourt, the River State capital. Our correspondent reports that Snow Blue Bottling Company, facilitated by the Nddc Cooperative, is in place to enhance workers' welfare and create employment for youths in the Niger Delta.
Few years back, staff members of the Nddc through a cooperative came up with the idea to establish a jointly owned water processing company to generate additional incomes to meet their financial obligations. The idea was implemented with a business plan followed to the letter, which has culminated in the establishment of Snow Blue Water Bottling Company, situated in Port Harcourt. Snow Blue Water Production Company promises to be a leading brand in the market as it boasts of top-of-the-range machines procured to provide healthy drinking water to be packaged in sachets, bottles and jars at very affordable prices. Chairman of the Nddc Cooperative, Honoré Paul, says the jointly owned business will enhance workers' welfare and create employment in the Niger Delta.
This is built on three plants, okay? One, making or generating income for the cooperative. Two, we have a socio-economic responsibility to the people of Niger Delta, okay? Creating jobs. We have about 56 members of staff working here. When it comes to full capacity, that's about 100 and something people should work in this facility.
According to Secretary of the Nddc Cooperative, Dr. Goodhope Dinkpa, profits generated from the water processing company will benefit retirees and their counterparts who are still in service, as well as shareholders.
It will benefit both the retirees, the present staff who are still in service, and also dividends that will be accrued to them, thereby salvaging their financial crisis. And by extension, don't be surprised that we have created employment.
In a bid to access more funds and ensure proper management of Snow Blue Water Processing Company, legal advisor to the Nddc Cooperative, Emmanuel Ezeobi Rhodes, says there will be private placement of shares in due course.
If we have shareholders who have subscribed to a certain amount of shares and the rest, you see that there is checks and balances from both inside and outside, and it creates some bit of call it sustainability, call it sense of responsibility.
Snow Blue Water Processing Company is fully prepared to redefine standards in the production and sales of safe drinking water in the Niger Delta at highly competitive prices. Technical consultant to Snow Blue Water Processing Company, Jeremiah Tilly, is convinced that this objective is possible with a well-equipped laboratory where a routine analysis of water quality will be done.
With the analysis results, we recalibrate all of our treatment equipment so that our water quality will be maintained over time. The water comes out with a pH of 7.5 thereabouts, which is the best for human consumption. And after that, our routine analysis of the water to adjust our treatment sections and processes is what we are always consistent with.
In the next few weeks, when it becomes operational, Snow Blue Water Processing Company, courtesy of the Nddc Cooperative, will begin to produce safe drinking water, which is a critical social need not only in the Niger Delta but across sub-Saharan Africa.
Inside the Niger Delta. Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC, making a difference.